Hello everyone. This video is to demonstrate the decentralized app listing platform that I developed, which is called Dstore. So what is Dstore? Dstore is a completely decentralized platform that will provide a one-stop solution for app deployment. Companies and developers will be able to list their applications and users will be able to install applications on their devices using the Dstore mobile application. The complete Dstore platform consists of three modules. Those three modules are majorly web application, the mobile client, and the graph backend, which is used to query the data from the blockchain. So let's move forward with the web application. This is the web application which is deployed on IPFS using Fleek servers. The web application supports MetaMask and Fortis, these two wallets. This web application will be majorly used by developers to publish their applications, and it will also provide a downloadable APK for users to install on their device. So this is the site which is deployed. Currently, we can choose the wallets which we want to use. Currently, my Fortis wallet is connected. I can change my wallet using clicking this change button and selecting any wallet. So with my Fortis wallet, I will just publish a new application. Let's name it for demo app. Tagline for demo app. A random description for the app. These details will be the descriptions which will show on the application on the listing platform. An app icon. Currently, I'm using any random images which I've already downloaded. The APK file. The platform only supports Android application for the time being, so that's why only the APK field was given. So I will use a random APK which I generated. An image. This should be a kind of idea of what the application contains. So the images for those. Currently, it's again a random image. Submit. So this is the preview of the application. Once we click on submit, these details will be uploaded on the IPFS. And once the images are uploaded on IPFS, we can see a pop-up greeting for the transaction to complete on this smart contract. Smart contracts are deployed on Matic network. Fortis wallet is connected with Matic network only. If we select MetaMask, we need to choose the Matic test network, Mumbai network. Till the app is deployed on the IPFS, let's move for the mobile version. So this is the screen which is currently on my mobile device. So this is how the website will look on mobile. User can just the public application will not work since it is not connected with any wallet. User can click on these three icons to download the respective build for the applications. Currently only Android application is supported. So I will click on Android to download the APK. And we can see the APK is downloaded. Now, since the APK is downloaded and we can open the APK to install it, I have already installed it on my device, so I can just use it. Dstore. This is the homepage which we will see. These are all the applications which are already listed, already deployed for the testing. So I will be using these applications only. User can click on any application. Suppose I click on DocScan. We can see application details and installation button to install this on the device. I will click on the install. And we can see the APK will be downloaded. This is downloading. Since the APK is on the IPFS network only, so the APK will first download and it will automatically open an installation page. We can see the APK is downloaded. The DocScan was the name of the application, so that's why we have installed the DocScan. I can just install it. Once the installation will be completed, I can use it. The app installation is completed. I can open the application and use the application which was installed by the developer. So this is all about completely the mobile application of Dstore. Now in the backend, our app is also deployed from the platform and we can see the transaction was successful. When the transaction was successful and the app was installed, was added in the smart contract as well, we can see this button and we can go to all the published applications. So these are all the applications which was published. And this was the application which we just deployed. This is the test application which we just deployed, and it will be shown in the Fortis account. If we want to see this application on the mobile app, we can still do that. So let's just refresh this page. And on the topmost part only, we can see this application random map which we just deployed. There it is. I can change the wallet on the website. So if I change wallet and choose MetaMask, the application will refresh and it will show only the application which are deployed from the set from the currently active address. So these are the two modules. After that, we have a graph query. So the graph was used to query all the data on the mobile application as well as on the website to see your applications. These are the technologies which were used to build this platform. Solidity smart contracts, which were deployed on Matic network. IPFS was used for data storage. Slate was used to actually store and process IPFS data in a faster manner. So the application which user were installing, the Distro mobile application, was actually stored on Slate so as to provide a better computation, faster results. Truffle framework was used to deploy the complete application, and Fortis and MetaMask were the wallets which were used. Fleet was used to deploy the website on the IPFS servers, and the graph was used to query the blockchain. The future scope for this would be to create an iOS and desktop application for the mobiles and support these applications updates as well. The version control management would be better, and currently as you can see, the IPFS processing is a little bit slow, so we need to optimize that. So these are the future aspects for this application at this moment. That's all about it. Thank you.